Okay, so 2016 F-150. It's a super cab, and I know this is going to be kind of hard to see to do this because so there's the door lock or the lock rod. See if you can see that. So I'm going to unlock the vehicle, and you can hear the tailgate release. Nothing. So, what do? Oh, you use the key. Yeah, that's frozen. That doesn't work. So, come around back. So the tailgate releases. Right, that's fine. And you can hear it lock and unlock. Obviously, the remote start works. Right, so over here, so you can get a view. There's the lock. Nothing. So now I have to defrost this thing because Ford screwed up their latches and they don't work in the cold. So yeah, and this has already had the recall done. So screwed. Thanks, Ford.